Hi guys. Today I am going to show you how to download and install the SQL Lite database. First of all, please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. First we want to download SQL Lite database. First I am going to my web browser and type SQL Lite and click on the very first search to enter to the SQL Lite official website. Then I am going to the bottom of the page and click on the download button in the latest version titled to download the SQL Lite latest version. Next we want to select the type of the SQL Lite version. I am using Windows 10 operating system and therefore I am downloading the matching version to my requirements. It is very small file and you can see it is downloading to my PC. All are done. We successfully downloaded the SQL Lite latest version to our PC. Now we are going to install SQL Lite version on our PC. First we want to create a new folder and name it as SQL Lite in the Windows installed folder. I am choosing the local disk C on my computer, because I install the Windows on it. I copy the downloaded zip file to my SQL Lite folder for my convenience. Now I am extract the files in the zip folder to the SQL Lite folder which I created in the local disk C in my computer. All are done. We successfully installed the SQL Lite latest version on our PC. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and rate a comment on our video.